Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno11 F, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's begin with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard. Oh my god. Just have the keyboard on the screen, and all we have to do right now is to enter the settings. There should be, the settings icon should be highlighted in this upper bar. So let me tap on it and tap on the languages. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English, which is based on our system language. So let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which you can choose available languages, of course. You can swipe, or you can simply enter the name of the language and then tap on the option you'd like to apply. Here you've got the keyboard types, and the amount of keyboard types depends on the specific language. Sometimes you will have only one or two, and sometimes even up to 10 different keyboard layouts. So if you want to apply the layout, simply mark it and then it will be chosen. I would like to use this one, so let me tap on done, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied to this list. And before I'll show you how to remove the previous language or any other language, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So now let me go back to the keyboard, and here, fortunately, in this version of the keyboard of the I believe it is Google Keyboard, we've got this hint which shows us what we should do with 2 or more languages added. So basically, all you have to do is to tap on this globe icon, thanks to which you can change the layout. What is more, the spacebar, it is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using, so you can always check which layout you've got applied, and it is especially useful if you've got two layouts from different languages which are really similar to each other. So that's quite interesting and helpful. So in order to remove the language, so let's pretend that you want to leave only one language applied, we have to enter the settings again and tap on the languages. And here in this list, in this section, we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we can remove the previous language or any other language you want to, just by marking it and tapping on this trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.